sorry तुम्हारा.
I'll do it at 8 now.
But good. I'm proud of you. Keep doing that.
Yeah.
All right. Lucky from UK. Hello sir. Ask Jannat when her. Wait, हो गया ना? When her next song हो गया. Next is Nishal Khan 13. I'm from Bangladesh. Hi sir, you're well. Can you please let Jannat to be more active on YouTube? Acha. They're missing you. Okay. And in the it's an interesting one. And in this pandemic, who is she missing most?
Who am I missing most? I'm missing KFC and McDonald's the most.
चलो गुड, जवाब मिल गया आपको. KFC and McDonald's. मगर आप होम डिलीवरी अलाउड है? At least Domino's की
No, but we don't want to risk anything.
अच्छा, चलो Domino's. Sorry.
It's my classes thing.
लेना?
1 second.
No.
Tell him we'll do classes at 8. Message.
Okay, now, so honestly, I don't know who these people are, but will she do a project with Anushka Sen?
Obviously, I'd love to.
कौन है Anushka Sen?
She's my best friend.
हाँ?
My best
Sorry,
friend.
अरे मेरे को नहीं मालूम है यार क्या?
Yeah,
Who's
she's
she?
my best friend.
Best friend. अच्छा, okay. She will do. Fine. But that's a silly question. Srishti from Delhi. I'm a student. Please ask Jannat about her new. अबे हो गया ना? New song with Ramji Gulati and her Hollywood web series My Way.
तो जो My Way है उसका वे ब्लॉग
नई खबरें निकल रही हैं, मेरे को पता नहीं चल रहा.
Really, you didn't know about this? Okay. So My Way का वे थोड़ा ब्लॉक हो गया है because of all these things. तो अब you know.
So you're doing a web series for Hollywood?
Yeah.
What are you saying? And to be shot where? To
LA.
be shot where? वहाँ पे क्या? LA.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
I was supposed to go there और काफी महीनों से हमारा वीजा प्रोसेस और सब चीजें चल रही थी. आर्टिस्ट वीजा पे जाने का वो प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे थे, मतलब एक बार रिजेक्ट भी हो गया और उसके बाद ये सब हो गया. तो अभी तो वो पूरी तरह से होल्ड पर ही है.
But this web series, is it? Is it a web series or a movie?
Series. No, it's a series.
Web series.
Yeah.
Like,
मैं पहला सीजन शूट करने जा रही थी.
Like Priyanka's Quantico kind of thing.
Yeah. But that was for Netflix. ये Netflix के लिए नहीं था.
अच्छा, उनसे पूछना अगर बाप का रोल हो तो. Next question. Sehrish Hayat, ask her about her song with Siddharth Sharma. When will she meet her co-stars, friends and relatives? पहले टाइप करना तो सीख लो पहले. Anyway, sorry Shirish, क्या पूछते तुम लोग? Anyway, हाँ, ask her about the song with Siddharth.
तो जो सिद्धार्थ शर्मा के साथ गाना है उसका नाम ऑल्डो है, जो कि हमारे ही लेबल के लिए गाना बना था और उसको भी हमने अभी रिलीज नहीं किया है बिकॉज यू नो हम यही होप कर रहे हैं कि जो भी हमारे जो बहुत अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट हैं हम उनको थोड़ा आराम से करें ताकि हम अच्छी तरह प्रमोट कर पाएं और यू नो अच्छे से वीडियोस बना पाएं, अच्छे से प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर पाएं, अच्छे से लॉन्च पार्टी थ्रो कर पाएं. तो इस वजह से वो भी होल्ड पर है. बट लेट्स सी, अगर नहीं हो पाया तो ऐसे ही हो जाएगा लॉन्च और जैसे ही होगा आप लोगों को पता चल जाएगा.
चलो, एक बड़ी कंपैशनेट सी एक किसी ने मैसेज दिया, सवाल कुछ नहीं है बट somebody that hopefully you will feel good. When people were trolling, this is from Foodylicious. So you know people, how much they care for you, how much, you know who I'm talking about? You have an idea? No. When people were trolling her for being TikToker only, why doesn't she clarify that TikTok is just a medium? She's already a child star. It hurts us so much that people jump to conclusions and troll her. But as an influencer now, it is important that she must clarify it too. We know that it's important. We know that she's a private person, doesn't like to boast about work, but speaking of working is not boasting. Right when she's not being trolled for doing nothing except TikTok. Not everyone keeps a track of what work one does on TikTok. Thank you, Bolna.
So that's, yeah, thank you for this. And you know me really well, you know, when you say that she's a private person, she doesn't like to talk about all these things. But when you say that, why I didn't clarify people when they were trolling me? So honestly, I was really affected when all the trolls and the hatred was, you know, everybody was posting and, you know, they were like, oh, she's just a TikToker and, you know, stop doing this and you guys got no business and stuff. And it made me pretty sad, you know, because I've been working since last 12 years I've been working so hard and you know when people just judge you like just like that it's very depressing you know I won't say that कि नहीं मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता because मुझे एक टाइम पे बहुत फर्क पड़ा जब ये बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा था और मैंने एक हफ्ते के लिए I was off social media I did not open my Instagram I did not post anything and I just wanted to break because I thought I have my life beyond social media beyond you know beyond all these things and it did matter but I thought I didn't feel like clarifying I said I don't need to I mean why should I it's your perspective it's not my job to clarify to you I mean that's what you think but I know I you know I'm not just a TikToker I know I've been working so hard I know that my parents have worked so hard to you know see where I am right now you know I've seen difficulties we've gone through struggles you know be it auditions being you know standing in queue and what not so I know my struggles people who matter they know people who love me they know so people who are just talking shit about me I don't care about them so I didn't feel like clarifying for them you know
how many shows have you done TV पे?
I've done about 16 to 17 shows
So all these fools who've been attacking you, tell them
okay
पहले do your bloody homework and come. अच्छा, secondly मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, okay, because I don't do TikTok, I don't follow it. So, but even if someone is doing it, is a TikToker, तो उसमें बुराई क्या है? ये समझ नहीं आया. मतलब क्या issue क्या है मेरे को? What is the issue? भाई अगर तुम TikTok कर रहे हो, तुम्हें नहीं पसंद है, मत देखो.
आप मत देखो, right?
तुम ये थोड़ा बोल रहे हो मेरे को देखो तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
ऐसा कहीं पर भी नहीं था और ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था ये तो मतलब एक मैंने तो हमेशा टिकटॉक से अपने मजे के लिए बनाया है क्योंकि मुझे पसंद था और वहाँ पे जब मुझे अटेंशन इतना मिला इतना जब लाइक्स और फॉलोअर्स मिले तो एवरीबॉडी मतलब ऐसा कौन है जो नहीं पसंद है अटेंशन मुझे भी पसंद आया और मैं और बनाने लग गई बट दैट्स इट that is it you know that's all about it everybody has their you know own choices and that is what I did but now people you know they made a huge issue out of it and they bash me and you know they comment so ये हमेशा से नहीं था ये अभी लॉकडाउन के 1-1.5 महीने बाद आया और मैं कभी आज तक टचवुड ट्रोल नहीं हुई थी मैंने हमेशा अपने इंटरव्यू में बोला है कि मैं बहुत खुश हूँ मैं आज तक कभी ट्रोल नहीं हुई हूँ मैंने कभी वो सिचुएशन फेस नहीं की और मैंने वो सिचुएशन अभी 2-3 महीने में फेस की है ये ट्रोलिंग वाली और यू नो पीपल जस्ट judging you and just saying that you know you do this that don't do it here don't do it that and stuff
but
it's
tell
fine.
me one thing keep I've seen your TikToks and I've seen some others which are not as tasteful तुम्हारे में जितने भी देखे हैं मतलब tasteful तमीज है people I can see bunch of kids having a good time okay तो अब I mean issue क्या है मतलब what is की if they attack you
they had a problem with the platform they had the problem with people who you know the ones जो लोग अच्छी कंटेंट नहीं बनाते या जो लोग कुछ भी बना देते हैं उनको लाइक चले जाते हैं तो ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग थे जो कुछ भी बनाते थे और बहुत लाइक चले जाते थे बट उसमें एक कैटेगरी मतलब उसमें एक डिफरेंशिएट है ऐसा नहीं है कि हर कोई ही वो बनाता है राइट तो उसमें उन्होंने क्या किया सबको ही
एक साथ
यू नो एक साथ या सबको एक ही चीज के लिए बोला
I would like to say one thing is that whoever these people are कि अच्छी फिल्में भी बनती हैं बुरी फिल्में भी बनती हैं फर्स्टली आप कौन है डिसाइड करने वाले ठीक है जिसको जो देखना देखो नहीं देखना मत देखो बट टू से एवरीथिंग इज एवरीबॉडी इज सेम इज प्रीटी स्टूपिड सो आई थिंक दे आर जेलस ऑफ यू
बट गुड आई लव
but Modi ji solved the problem anyway so that is done next Amy Chopra हाय सर मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है कि जन्नत को फिल्म्स में बहुत कम देखा है प्लीज आस्क द क्वेश्चन उन्हें फिल्म में काम नहीं इंटरेस्ट नहीं है
नहीं मुझे है इंटरेस्ट है but there's always a right pick for everything and at this moment अभी जो मैंने मूवीज करी है बचपन में तो वो एक होता है कि वो आपका बचपना होता है दैट इज नॉट योर लॉन्च और समथिंग यू नो दैट विल नॉट डिसाइड कि आपका करियर आगे कहाँ जाएगा और वो मूवी से आपको आगे कौन से चॉइसेस आएंगे बट ये जो पॉइंट है यहाँ पे करेक्ट पिक होना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू वेट फॉर द राइट मूवी फॉर द राइट टाइम इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मुझे फिल्म के लिए डैडी को कब से बहुत टाइम से कॉल आ रहे हैं, कितने कॉल्स आ रहे हैं, बट यू नो यू जस्ट कांट बी लाइक, ओ मुझे फिल्म का कॉल आया, मुझे मूवी करनी, हीरोइन बना, लेट्स डू इट. नो, you can't do that. You can't get over excited over it. You know, it's very important to be patient and to choose things wisely. So that is what you're waiting for a good story, for a thing that we are actually up to. You know,
And people are forgetting you're just 18. I mean, ये नहीं कि तुम 30 years old है कि यार अभी ऑफर नहीं मिलने वाला. पागल नहीं लोग, stupid. Anyway, अच्छा, this is one question मैं तुम्हारे behalf से answer कर लेता हूँ, and tell me if my answer is correct. Okay? I'm guessing. So this is Somili. What is the reason of the number 29? Take my name to say her, please. तुम्हारा जो Instagram का एड्रेस होगा जन्नत जुबैर 29. मैं जवाब दे दूं? It's your
yes,
birthday.
बिल्कुल. Yes. 29 अगस्त मेरा बर्थडे है, इसलिए जन्नत जुबैर 29 है.
अच्छा, now Abhay from
आप
Jaipur.
बताइए, व्हाट इज समीर सोनी 123?
मेरा 29. मेरा बर्थडे 29 था, by the way. You know, people who are born on 29, life थोड़ा seriously. 29th, Sanjay Dutt is also born on 29th. अरे मेरा बर्थडे थोड़ा ना 123. मेरा बर्थडे 29 सितंबर है.
मैं पूछ रही.
हाँ, वैसे हाँ, मेरा इंस्टा समीर सोनी 123 है, और कुछ सूझा नहीं था मेरे को, तो मैंने 123 कर दिया. चलो, अभी और क्या है? हाँ, ये अभय है, तुमसे राय, कुछ एडवाइस लेना चाहता है बेचारा. Abhay from Jaipur, currently staying in Mumbai as a learner. We all are here to learn and grasp something. So my question for Jannat is that since we have been watching her shows...
The network is really bad.
Hello.
Listen to you.
अभी 8 भी बजने वाले, कटने वाले हैं. What is the one thing that keeps you charged up whenever you feel low in life? Can you hear me?
So I'd say music, Ayan.
And keep the charged
and
up.
yeah, that's it.
Okay, I think we're gonna run out of time now. Tomorrow we have things to do. So Jannat, thank you. Sorry guys, the rest I could not answer. I tried my best, but she's one of my favorite co-stars, and I love her deeply, and her parents. Say hello to your mom. Say hello to your dad. उसके तो नीचे कान पे लगाना, आयान के. Any message you want to give to your fans? Please do it right now.
So I loved talking to you, and it's been so long. So thank you for having me. I will after the lockdown, inshallah. Let's just hope that we overcome this and you know everything goes back to normal, and we can come over for lunches and dinners and everything. So I'd just like to say that I love the questions, guys. Thank you so much for sending questions to him, and I will make that video. My fans edit kab main wo video banaungi reaction ka, because now I know how much you guys want me to make it. So I'll do that, and thank you so much for all the love and support. I love you guys so much, and stay safe.
Okay, Jannat. Bye.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Bye.